Yes, good afternoon. In the last class, we discussed about the VLSA subsystem. In the VLSA subsystem, first we have gone for the shifter. In the shifter, logical shift and arithmetic shift. Then we went for the barrel shifter. Okay. Next, so basically barrel shifter, how it operates. Then we went for the adders, single bit addition, carry ripple adder, carry skip adder, carry loop adder, carry syllabus. They have specified the carry look ahead adder and carry select adder. Okay, today's class will go for the carry look ahead adder as well as the carry select adder. Logic diagram for the full adder. Simply, if you draw a full adder, so simply two XOR gates, A and B are the inputs. A and B are the inputs for the XOR gate, and output of this is A XOR of B. Output of this is connected to the next XOR input gate. Okay, that is C out, C in, that is output is there is sum A XOR of B XOR of C. is A into B plus B into C plus A into C, that is carry out. Okay, or we can write simply these expressions, that things called here. See, wherever the carry is there, carry is 1, 2, 3, as well as A, B, C. We can write that carry out equal to simply carry out equal to A bar C, A bar B C plus A B bar C, A B bar next is the by using this single bit schematic for sum and logic by using the CMOS transistors. It is an diagram. Similarly for the carry, after that how that expression the logic diagram. That is sum as well as the carry we will find here. Sum bar, and if you want to read one more inverter, so we have to just this diagram. Next we go for the carry look ahead adder. For that carry look ahead adder, there are the three terms. One is called the generator, G is a generator, P is a propagator. What is meant by these two terms? One is called the generator. Generator is G equal to A into B. Generator is A into B. Propagator is A plus B. Okay. Generator and propagator. What are the importance of propagator? These how to see that is there carry is generated or it is propagated. Okay. Just say things called based on the one is called generator, second is called propagator. When carry generates when A into B equal to 1, automatically carry generates. When A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, carry is there. Carry is generated. Just see the here one condition, and A equal to 1, B equal to 1, A into B equal to 1. At that time, the carry is generated. Only carry when generates when A equal to 1, B equal to 1. How it is generates a carry. That means carry equal to 1. Just see the last condition also. Okay, in this case also it generates a carry. Okay, here also carry generates. Carry is based on the, if it is 1, if it is the A equal to 1, B equal to 1, automatically carry equal to, if it is 1, automatically carry is generated. Next condition, when propagator A plus B, when A plus B equal to 1, automatically I have to see that if based on the carry input bit, see the condition saying that When this condition, just see here, in this condition, A equal to 0, B equal to 1, there is no carry. When A equal to 0, B equal to 1, that means as it is, when propagator propagates, it based on the carry input itself. It is based on the carry input bit. If it is 1, automatically it seeks the condition of the carry bit. If carry bit equal to 0, automatically a carry output, carry out also 0. When the condition propagator when 1, automatically it will be same as it is of the carry bit. Okay, next condition, just see the one more condition here. See, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, output is 0. That is there is no propagator. That means it has to kill the carry. Kill K is kill. When A bar dot B bar, it is the output expression. When this equal to 1, that means 0 bar and 0 bar. A equal to 0, B equal to 0, that is 1. It is equal to 1. At that time, the carry, whatever the carry input, if it is 1 or 0, make it as a 0. That is kills the carry. That is input kills the carry. Output is killing the carry. That is condition called this condition. That is when for the propagator is 0. A equal to 0, B equal to 0. Even carry is 1, it has to kill the carry. It has to neglect the carry, kills the carry. When it propagates, when A equal to 1, B equal to 1, condition C, A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. That is a OR operation. OR operation is 0 plus 0, 0, OR, 2 input OR gate. 0 plus 1, 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. Last condition is 1 plus 1 is not 1 0 for the OR operation. It is 1 plus 1 is 1 only for the OR operation. OR gate 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1 is an output A plus B. Output is A modulus of B. This is the case. Okay, when carry, if you understand this table, it is quite easier for the getting the things for the carry look at adder. Okay, here carry generator, C is the A into A, occurs when the carry out is internally generated within the adder. When it is internally generates, when both A and B are equal to 1, automatically internally it generates a carry. When A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, automatically generates internally it generates a carry. Okay, you can see the carry generates, A and B are inputs, it generates a carry. When these two are 1, automatically it generates a carry. Okay, next propagator, when these two added, it will seek the input from the carry. Input bit from the carry. That is propagation. It has to take care the carry input also. If it is 1, if first when it is propagator is 1, it has to see if propagator is 0, automatically it will not going to go for the carry bit itself. When propagator bit equal to 0, it will not bother about the carry input bit for the carry out purpose. When propagator is 0, it will not bother about the carry bit. If propagator equal to 1, it will seek the carry bit. If carry bit equal to 1, propagator is 1, carry out also 1. If propagator equal to 0, carry equal to 1, output carry out equal to 0. That is the propagator and the generator. When it is true, the carry in signal C is passed to the carry out when C is true. Okay, propagator when it is true. True means propagator equal to 1. True is nothing but as a 1. Okay, when it is true, true means nothing but as a 1. The carry signal, that carry in signal C is passed. That is, whatever the signal present here will pass to the carry out. When it is true only. When it is false means when it is 0, it will not bother about the carry bit at all. Okay, it is the thing called the carry look ahead adder. ఇది అర్థమవుతే, ఈ టేబుల్ అర్థమవుతే ఫర్దర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ ఫర్ ది థింక్ ఆర్ పీకేజీ. పీకేజీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్, పీ ఈజ్ అనే ప్రొపగేటర్, జీ ఈజ్ అన్ జనరేటర్, కే ఈజ్ అన్ కిల్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎ ఫుల్ యాడర్ డిఫైన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ టు క్యారీ in terms of A and B. Generator is G. C out equal to 1 independent of C. C out equal to 1 when it is 1. When Z equal to 1, when generator equal to 1, automatically C out equal to 1. It is not bother about the C in bit at all. If Z in bit equal to 0 or 1, the C out equal to 1. The condition, see here in this case, just say the condition when condition is 1 1, it is the A, B and C. 0, next last condition is 1 1 1. In these two cases, that is either these two cases, two more cases are there, that is 1 in these two cases only. Generator generates a carry. A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. These only these two cases. 3 and 7 both are 1. Other cases, okay, other cases either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Okay, in these two cases only it generates a carry. Okay, it will not bother about C out is depends only on the generator bit. Okay, C out is if G equal to 1, in these two cases G equal to 1, automatically C out equal to 1. Okay, that is meaning of the generator. Next, similarly propagator is C out equal to C. C out is not the XOR operation, it is the A plus B is the propagator. When propagator equal to 1, propagator equal to 1, automatically C out equal to C in. C out equal to C in. C out is the whatever the C in. Next, last is kill. Kill is C out equal to 0 independent of C in. When A bar dot B bar equal to 1, A bar dot B bar equal to 1, automatically C out equal to, it is called K. It is called the K. In this case, C out equal to 0. C out equal to 0. Okay, it is about the propagator, generator and kill. It is the schematic diagram of the optimized adder circuit only. Here a bit parallel adder. For example, see, I have a n bit addition. I have to take the n number of full adders. Each bit a connection. Just see, observe that bit parallel adder. Okay, it has to the more delay is more. Is parallel adder. Second adder, that is say it is adder 1. In this case, I will use this as an adder 0, adder 1, adder 2. These are all full adders. Adder 3, adder n. Okay, adder 0. After this, after performing this addition, it generates the carry out this carry out is given to carry into the full adder 1. Full adder 0 out Cin, initially Cin equal to 0, initially Cin equal to 0, and based on the A0, B0, sum equal to S0, and it is the C1 output of this is carry out Cin. This is given to the next full adder, okay. It has to wait, that is full adder 1 has to wait till the completion operation of the adder 0. Similarly, adder 2 has to wait till the operation of adder 1, okay. N minus 1 times has to wait for an nth full adder. N minus 1 time has to wait the nth full adder. Similarly, it is just a data, inverse data. Whenever we use a input data, here bubble that not get the input data, if it is 1, output is 0, that data has been given. That if you use one more inverter, a buffer, it is also same as it is the input itself, okay. It is another way of drawing the diagram, okay. It is the bit parallel adder. It is the bit parallel adder. Similarly, that same condition, A minus B, sum A plus B, A minus B, it is a subtraction operation, sum equal to A plus B, how it is being generated for the subtractor by using the same logic called the subtractor operation by using the XOR gate, okay. If XOR equal to, if the subtract equal to 0, if you use this equal to 0, it performs the 2's complement operation, it performs the 2's complement. It is similar to the else it is addition only. If subtract equal to 1, automatically it performs the addition. If subtract equal to 0, performs subtraction, okay. If the based on the subtract signal, there is control signal. When it is 0, when it is 1, what operation it has to select, okay. Next, bit serial adder, automatically as same as in the some say I have it is a 5-bit data using the shift register, using the say left shift from the right side to left side or left side to right side, shifting the data. For example, I use this the operation when I have to use the, for example, say I have started a bit shifting towards this from the left side to right side. That means starting bit, it is the MSB, it is the LSB, okay. It is the MSB and it is the LSB. I have to add LSB to LSB through the addition. Once I have added this data, I have to shift the data bit locations from the D0 to D1. This is D1 position, D1 to D0, like that I have to shift. That means shift to right from the left side to right side, left side to right, shift right operation I have to perform. Once I have finished this data 1 plus 1, I have to store into the some register. I have to store this register result to some register. That means 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. That means this 1 bit has to store into the result, and carry has to store into the carry bit. This carry bit has to taken, that this 1 has to taken back to the carry into the next one. That 1 I have to take care the next addition. When I have added the next bit, that is 1 0 plus 0 plus carry in, that is 1. This 1 has to load, that is this bit. Once I have loaded, I have to shift the register, right shift. ఒకసారి లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత రైట్ షిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి, ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ ఆపరేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు 0 వస్తుంది, 0 and carry is 1. This carry is given here. Next operation చేసినప్పుడు 0 plus 0 plus carry 1, it is 1 0 and carry is 0. Next చేసినప్పుడు 1 plus 0 is 1 0, that is there is no carry. Second time 0. Next is 1 plus 1, it is 1 0, that is 0, carry is 1. Next at the final 0 plus 0 carry 1, it is output is 1 0 1 1 0. once I have loaded this first bit, I have to shift the locations in this direction 5 times. I have to shift, okay, to store the result, and carry out I have to store into the carry bit. Okay, it is a simple bit serial adder. It is a simple serial bit adder. Okay. Next is carry look ahead adder. Just if you have already have told generator and propagator, what is meant by generator, what is meant by propagator, how it has to be, how it is generated, general expressions for the generator and the propagator. G is the A into B, and propagator is A plus B into C. A plus B into C. It is the expression, output expressions. I have to, based on this output expression only, a carry, that is C out, C1 to Cn can be generated. It is a logic diagram for the 4-bit carry look ahead adder. It is a logic diagram, logic symbol, the block diagram of a 4-bit carry look ahead adder. Just see the first adder. When I have, based on these two terms, G0 and P0, G0 equal to A0 into B0, P0 equal to A0 plus P0, A0 plus B0. Similarly, here P0 P1, P0 to P2, that is P0 P1, P0 P1 P2. Here P0 to P3 means P0 P1 P2 P3. G0 means here G0 G1, G0 G2 G1 G2. Here G0 G1 G2 G3. Okay, this is about the carry look ahead adder. It is a how for the carry one's logic diagram. All the fourth one, that is CL carry look ahead adder, fourth bit, that is a logic diagram. Simple carry look ahead adder itself, how it is generated, how we have to take care of that things. Is the entire schematic as well as the static and the dynamic circuit, overall circuit for the dynamic for the carry look ahead adder. Okay, it is the carry look ahead adder itself, 4-bit generator, how it is B0 to Bn n-bit adders, how it is generated. It is the finally thing is simultaneously we have calculating the operating the carry generator. In the previous parallel adder, one has to wait till the previous one has been finished. In this case, that is not there. The carry operation is simultaneously performing all the operations simultaneously. Only thing is carry look ahead adder, propagation delay is reduced. Propagation delay has been reduced in the carry look ahead adder. Only that is the thing. Other than that, it will be same. Okay. Next, carry select adders. 4 minutes today. Within 2 minutes, I will finish this carry select adder. Two 4-bit adders are separately calculated. Just one circuit, it is for the, if carry is there, one circuit there is no carry. Based on the selection of the mux multiplexer, 2:1 multiplexer, one has to calculate. One is for the, if there is a carry, then second there is no carry. Based on the selection, carry is 1 or carry is 0. Based on that, how have performed this operation. When carry equal to 0, I have to select this operation. When carry equal to 1, I have to select based on the carry input. Carry equal to 1 or carry equal to 0. Simultaneous two blocks has to perform the same operation, but the thing is delay operation has been reduced. Okay, the calculating of the delay operation has been reduced, half of the parallel adder in the carry select adder. Other than that, it is same. Okay, next class I will go for the multiplier. 2 more class. Probably today I may not take the class after the probably in the 4:45 I have a class. I may not take the class. Tomorrow at 11:30 as well as Saturday 12:30 we will take the class, and Monday also. By 3 classes I finish your entire syllabus.